Hey guys, welcome back. This is an important update from Samsung. Most of the Samsung devices are getting this update, and let's go to my settings, and then we're gonna go to software update, and that's where we're gonna see that there's an update available for all Samsung devices. And as you can see it here, I had it on my phone, but I paused it because I wanted to make a video of it. And here we're gonna unpause it and we're gonna download the software. And as you can see it here, this is the software number, and it seems like it has some security update and also some improvements and bug fixes and a lot more. So at the end of this update, we're gonna see what's new. So I'm just gonna go ahead and check some animation and stuff like that. But in the meantime, it's gonna download the software, and it is downloading it right now on my Samsung Galaxy S21. And as you can see it here, so if you're looking for a case like this is the Rebel case. I bought it from Amazon for, I believe, $17. So check the link down below for more details if you're looking to purchase a case like that. And this is my Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and I already updated my Samsung Galaxy S22. And we're gonna go ahead and read up, and you can go to Samsung software website, and from here you can read what's new in this software. But this page is specifically for Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. So when you update yours, when you click on the link, it takes you to the Samsung page. It's gonna show you the update, what's improved in this update, and it's gonna show you specifically for your device, either Samsung Galaxy S22 or S22 Plus or S21 or S21 Plus. But my device is S21 Plus, so it's showing me all this information. So these are all the documents that comes with the update. And now I'm gonna go ahead and click on install, and then after that it's gonna download it, and it's gonna turn off my phone. It's gonna be installed on my device. So the new software is being installed on my Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. And now guys, the update is finished. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the device. We're gonna unlock it first, and you're gonna see that my phone has been updated to the newest software. And this one, as I mentioned, is only some security update and also bug fixes and major improvement. And as you can see it here, everything is running very smoothly. I didn't do an in-depth review on this download, but I did enough review on One UI 5.0 and also the Android 13. Most of the Samsung devices right now are running Android 13 and One UI 5. If your device is not updated yet, just keep on checking. All you need to do is go to software update on your device and see if the application or the software is available for your phone. And this is my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. It's been running Android 5, Android 13 and One UI 5, and this is it guys. So as you can see here, it shows that my phone has been updated to the newest software. So right now this is the latest software, security update and bug fixes. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, and thank you for watching, and I see you next time.